Let's go to Vanessa Murdoch now.
Live in Weehawken with the conditions out there as we speak. Vanessa.
All right, well, it is not pleasant out here, but it's also not the worst that it will get tonight. We are here because Hudson County is one of several counties along the Jersey Shore under that high wind warning through tomorrow morning. And as Lonnie mentioned, the winds are only going to get more intense as we make our way closer and closer to the midnight hour. But already here in Weehawken, the flags are standing high and are really getting cranked in the breeze here. Gusting at this moment in time 30 to 40, but we expect winds to gust 50, 60, possibly 70 miles per hour as we make our way closer to the midnight hour. And we do expect widespread power problems. So a few tips: charge those phones and accessories now. Remember, please never touch downed wires and report any changes right away. So hopefully those utilities can get you right back on track. We're live in Weehawken, New Jersey tonight, out in the elements. Christina Maurice, back to you.
Okay, great advice, Vanessa. Thank you. And our morning team starting early tomorrow morning to make sure you are covered through the storm. We'll be on a half hour early beginning at 4 a.m.